Presenting the 2006 BMW 330i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bucket seats, automatic headlights, remote trunk release, traction control, CD player, automatic transmission, wood-grain interior trim, and power steering. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.